Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to insert a code block on the Google Docs website. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, go to the URL section here and type just Google Docs simply, hit the enter button, and that will take you into this page. From that page, you'd like to click at the first link, make sure it's not an advertisement. Once you did that, you will find yourself here at this page. Of course, if you are not at this page, make sure to go and check for other links, unless you are at this page, because that will be even much better. So if you are here, you'd like to click at sign in for sign in to log in into your account if you already have an account. But of course, if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at sign up for here for free to create an account. Of course, if you have a Google account already linked into your browser, you'll be able to do those two options without any like problems. It will prevent you from doing all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. So once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself here with this homepage or this main screen. And of course, from here, you'll be able to start to start a blank document or a blank page, or open some of your recent documents, or just choose some of their template here, which is provided by Google Docs, and it's totally free. So for me, I'm just going to open a recent document, which is actually empty. And as we said, we would like to insert a code block. So how can we do that on the Google Docs website? So simply after we created our page, we would like to go here to this insert button at the top left corner. Now, I would like to go to the bottom of the page. So sorry, you will have to click as answers as we said. Now go to the bottom or the middle. You will find here built-in blocks. So normally you will find a code block here, the third option. But of course, if you don't find it, I will just give you an alternative solution. Normally you'll find it here, the third. But if you don't, that will be good. Some of you will find it, some of you don't, like me. So here you can just go to a third website. So open a new tab, go here and click at right. Sorry, so right, uh yeah, we have already something here, a C++ code, and just look for like a website that you can write your C++ code on it. So let's say, as an example, this one, I'm just going to take a screenshot of this now, and now copy it. And of course, now we would like just to go for this, and we can just paste our code here and we'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.